Personally, before cooking, I usually first wash my dirty utensils. I make sure that I've cleared the whole kitchen, the whole area. I really love working with a clean environment. So that is what I'm preparing for today. Chicken liver actually. That is all I have. That is what I'm gonna use. And that's my matoke. So I'm going to have liver and matoke. Personally, I love using only that while preparing my sauce. I hate adding, is it called tomato paste or something? I don't like adding it in my sauce. It does not taste nice for me, though for some people it tastes nice and it is okay, but personally I love my sauce to stay just the way it is. I personally just love my food to stay organic from the start. I don't like adding those other processed stuff that are on market right now, because personally I'm trying to live I'm trying to use natural stuff to stay healthy, because I've been watching a certain documentary where they were saying that one of the common causes of colon cancer is those processed spices and all that, so I avoid all that. So those are my spices. I love using local spices. As I told you, those are local spices, and I love my food to stay organic. As I was waiting for my food to get ready, I got some yogurt. Plain yogurt is really good, guys, especially girls. It is really nice. It balances the pH. It has components that help with balancing the pH in the body. It basically helps with preventing infections like UTIs, yeast infections. My sauce is ready and my matoke is ready too, and I'm gonna serve and eat. So that is the easiest way to cook chicken liver. You're at home, it is so easy. So that's me trying to serve my food. I was so hungry actually. Oh my god, look at that matoke, Ugandan matoke actually. My sauce is looking so nice. I can't wait to try it. I'm so proud of myself after cooking this beautiful meal. ended my day with organizing a few clothes, my clothes and my husband's clothes. Personally, I love open closets. I love to see my stuff. I just want to see my stuff every day. Anyway, that is what I like personally. We have different preferences and different stuff we like. So that's me trying to put some things together. I really love seeing my stuff organized. I personally love fashion. That is why you see that I have these bags. I love nice stuff. Yeah, and I always like to see my things very organized and looking neat. So I don't know whether I'm weird, but yeah, that's what I like. I like organized stuff. That's basically me. Maybe it's my weakness. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Bye bye.